that you're only happy when you're the one cracking the whip. Come on. We all know. Days like cupcakes. I will join you. What are you talking about?
Just switch this to the next slide.
It's very upset because
Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Our parents are totally irresponsible. We're not just talking about us walking on their little freak show. Go to school in shorts every winter. And they never shut the gate at the time. We get it. It was bad, but you know, I guess it's better than having school talk about everything.
the whole body.
I need to sit.
Wow, Dad, so you just got done giving me but today is not that day.
What?
I got disconnected. Would you mind redialing?
Just a couple more minutes.